Hi there, unboxing the new Sony speaker. This speaker is absolutely amazing. The bass, extra bass, everything. Sony SRS XB3. I'm just gonna give you a rough idea of unboxing. I actually got this from the Sony shop. Just to say that the prices came down to say £84.99 just now, so if you're having a look at new speaker, go ahead and try it out. I won't actually play the speaker, but I'll put it on the video. I've actually got a blue version. The red version was out of stock, so I got the blue one. And then the black one we just choose for speaker itself. It's quite nice actually. Look at the manual. Crazy. I guess that'd just be the charger. Just unbox everything. Sorry, I haven't unboxed it properly. Just go for a brief description. So you got this part. And you got the it's kind of like a traveling adapter. So you live in the UK. Speaker itself. Go back to this now, so that's about it. Okay. If there's any question or anything, just comment below. Thank you for watching.